Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Pikachu mouth, and please be till the end of the video so you don't miss anything. How to crochet Pikachu mouth. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make one chain crochet stitch. Okay, now in that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. In that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. After we are done with 5 double crochet stitches, at last we will make a chain crochet and turn a crochet work. Then we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Remember, 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Now again at last, just make a chain crochet and turn your work. Now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. So our pink part is ready. Using exactly same pattern, we are going to make one more in maroon color. Only difference will be, in starting, instead of 5 double crochet stitches, we will make 6 double crochet stitches, and so accordingly changes happen. Okay, now in when we are done with our second row, we make 2 chain crochet stitches and we turn our work. Okay, then in first stitch we make a double crochet stitch. Okay, then stitch number 2, 3 and 4 we make 1 1 1, one single crochet stitch in each of 3 continuous stitches. See, this is how. Okay, here goes a third single stitch. After that, in next stitch we make a half double crochet stitch. We are making stitches using back loop. So then in next stitch we make a double crochet stitch, and next stitch we make a half double crochet stitch. There we go. Now in next 3 continuous stitches we will make 1 1 1, one single crochet stitch in each of 3 continuous stitches. 1 2 and 3. In last stitch we make a double crochet stitch. In 11th stitch we make a double crochet stitch. There we go. And then we make 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the 12th stitch with a slip stitch. And here we are done with the maroon part. Now see, this is how it is going to look. Now only our last step is remaining. We are going to make a black border to whole of that maroon part. Okay, I'll show you how. Now take a black yarn and make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet stitch. There we go. After that, make 2 chain crochet stitches and join the last stitch with the first double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. Then again make 2 chain crochet stitches. See, 2 or 3 it can vary depending on your thread. Okay, then join last stitch with the second row first double crochet stitch. Again make 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the last stitch of first stitch of third row. Then make a chain crochet stitch, and now we start making 1 slip stitch in each single stitch in the above row. Only whenever we get those 3 points, whenever we reach those points, there we have to make 1 extra chain crochet stitch. So those point looks more like pointed. Okay, or rest of the stitches we are making just 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. See. Now see, again we are reaching the point. Here I'll make a slip stitch, then I will make 1 extra chain crochet stitch. Okay, and again I will start with my slip stitch. So that those points are like elevated, they are like more pointed, they look more pointed. And make all stitches in back loop. Actually we are making all stitches right from starting in back loop, so just don't forget that. Okay, now see, again we are on the 3rd point. So here I make 1 slip stitch, I'll make a extra chain crochet stitch and I will join it again with slip stitch. Now see, I make 2 chain crochet stitches, join it with the last stitch of 3rd row. Then again 2 chain crochet stitches, join it with last stitch of 2nd row. There we go. Again 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the first chain crochet stitch we made from where we started everything. Yeah, there. And our maroon part is complete. Just cut the yarn now. We are done. Okay. Now see, this is how a maroon part looks, on which we will stitch our pink part. See, now we are getting those 3 points elevated. It's more pointed. Okay, so now here we stitch a pink part on it and we stitch this whole thing on a Pikachu applique. Thanks for being till end. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.